Welcome to Some Thick Curls, Beauty and Lifestyle. Hey sunshines, and welcome to my home. Now I know this is not the best first impression that you're getting of my home, but I promise it's not like this all the time. We just got finished doing a home renovation. We did our basement and designed it by ourselves and had people come in and help my husband get everything squared away. But the problem is, it took us almost a year to get everything completed, and we are still not done. We are at like 95% done. So we have been living on top of each other with furniture on top of furniture on top of furniture. It was furniture in the living room, the dining room, with stuff from the basement, because with us designing the basement, we already knew exactly what we wanted it to look like. So we had already purchased furniture before the renovation started. Then, because everything was taking so long, we also bought things along the way. So we had furniture that was supposed to go in my new office. In the kitchen, we had new furniture pieces in my office upstairs for the basement. We had stuff in our bedroom, our daughter's bedroom. It was just stuff everywhere. So when I found out that we could finally move things downstairs into the basement, I was so excited. I love to clean. Cleaning and hair are like therapy to me. I watch cleaning videos all the time on YouTube because it's just so soothing to me. If I'm feeling down and out, I'm scrub-a-dub-dubbing. Like, I love to clean. So while we were going through this whole situation for almost a year, I was still trying to clean here and there, but you can't get in the nooks and crannies when you got stuff everywhere. Like, I just don't know how hoarders do it. Like, I need to be able to get in there and clean. So just looking at this little piece of the floor right here, I was super excited just to see that because we hadn't seen it in so long. So I'll tell you guys more about the story and what was going on with the basement as to why it took so long. But I am just happy to see that we can get our house back. It took me 2 days to get everything completed, and it's currently day 2. So shout out to my friends and my brother-in-law and my nephew that came over to help us move everything because it was so much going on these 2 days trying to get everything set up in the basement as well as set up upstairs.
Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little spoiled, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not used to laying low about my feelings. Tell the world or write a book when I'm finished. I should thank your mama, yeah. Look at what she...
Thankfully, there wasn't a lot of stuff underneath the couch when I moved it, but it was extremely dusty. You can see it better in this clip here. And now I'm just going to take my Dyson V6 Animal Vacuum Cleaner and vacuum all the dirt and the dust up. And I'm just going to take some Dawn dish detergent and put it in my Ocedar mop because I'm actually going to clean the walls with the mop. And I wanted to do this because there was a lot of wall to clean. I've been cleaning walls downstairs. I've just been cleaning everywhere. So I didn't really feel like doing everything by hand. So I was just testing this out to make sure that it was actually going to get the walls clean, and it did. For the baseboards, I'm just using my Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and going around scrubbing everything. And then if there were any spots on the walls that had any stains or anything like this that's on this baseboard, I have no idea what this is or what this is on the wall. But the Magic Eraser did end up getting it off. I went ahead and used the Magic Eraser in the corners of the walls as well, only because it was a lot easier for me to get in those nooks and crannies versus using the mop. And this is what the Magic Eraser is looking like after all that cleaning. And there was a couple spots that I missed on the wall, so I just went back and got them. There was so much dust, dirt, and sawdust from all the construction that was going on in the house that I had to vacuum the furniture as well. I really wanted to do a deep clean and use a shampooer to clean the couch, but I ended up ordering my carpet cleaner machine after I did this video. But I do plan on coming back with another video showing you guys how I clean the furniture. Now under the second couch, you can clearly see how much dirt, dust, and junk was underneath there.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday
I think this side had more visible dirt because it's right in front of the window, and we did open the windows in the spring and summer last year. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thanks for stopping by, Sunshine. My name is Trina, but you can call me Slim Thick Curls. I'm a girl in the world trying to pull off juggling acts just like everyone else, between being a wife to my husband Corey, a mother to my daughter Monet, a content creator, and a full-time employee, all while trying to make time for the things that I love to do, which are cleaning, shopping, decorating, and almost anything hair related. If any of that is your cup of tea, I would love for you to come along on my Slim Thick Curls beauty and lifestyle journey, where I would love for us to encourage and motivate each other along the way and show that it's okay not to be perfect, to go for the things that you love and stay true and be you as we grow through life. So make sure you don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell.
and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind.
This windowsill was so dirty. Look at all those wet marks and stains. I don't know what was happening back here. Here's all the dirt that came up from cleaning the windowsill with my Magic Eraser, but it still needed a little bit more attentive loving care, so I came back in with my Murphy Oil multi-use wood cleaner spray.
And that's okay with me.
Now you can see why I said it needed a little bit more tender loving care, because it was still dirty, but it's all clean now. To clean my wood floors, I'm mopping them using the Murphy Oil Soap Original Wood Cleaner.
You don't know how long I've been waiting for someone like you. Now there's nothing I can do. But do you gotta be taken? Can't you see my heart is breaking over you? You're just too good to be true. Why do you gotta be taken? You're surprised that you are.
Here's all the dirty mop water from me cleaning the walls and the floor. And the last image is from the floors. As I'm putting all the furniture back into place, I'm getting so excited because I can finally see my living room coming back to life and being the way that it's supposed to be. After I finish this last portion, all I have left to do is to clean the fireplace and the sound bar. I wanted to clean the TV, but I want to try out this product that's new to me. It may not be new to you. Is the Screen Mom, and I really want to try it out to see how it does on our TV. So if you've tried that product out, let me know what you think about it.